Assalamu alaikum, this is Babul Kamali at Lakshabe. I hope everyone's okay. Today we're going to cook lamb momo. This is very popular in Nepal and Southeast Asia. To make the lamb momo, you need minced meat. You could make lamb momo, momo with vegetables or chicken if you want. I have marinated this about a couple of hours ago. To marinate this, you need some spices. You need some cumin powder, coriander powder, little bit of chili, and turmeric powder. And I've put like half a teaspoon of each spices in there, and salt to taste. And you need some onions, about 1 tablespoon of onions, and you need some mint, fresh mint, which is like about half a teaspoon. And then you mix it together and you will get this. And once it's done, it's come out like this. It's gonna come out like this. I'll show you how to do this. Obviously you need some dough. I made some dough here, so let's make the momo now. This is the dough. I'm gonna make a pastry out of this. I'm gonna cut this so you get a nice round shape. Just put it in this dice. Now I'm gonna fill this pastry with the marinated mince. I'm doing it with the dice because it's a lot easier, but you could do it with your hand. It's a lot harder. There you go. I don't know exactly how the Nepalian people makes their momo. This is my version. So we're going to steam this. So I've got some hot water in this pot, and we're going to steam this for about 5 minutes. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. I'm going to put a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick. Let's plate the momo. Some sauce. You could use any kind of sauce you like, or it's up to you really. You don't have to use any sauce. Because momo's dry, that's why I'm using sauce. Using some sauce. I'm gonna use some green sauce as well. This is your lamb momo.